Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you what is variance and standard deviation and how they can be calculated in Microsoft Excel. First, let me explain what variance is. The variance is the measure of variability. It is calculated by taking the average of square deviation from the mean. The resulting value, known as the means, tells you the degree of spread in your data set. The larger this value, the more spread the data in relation to the mean is. Calculating the variance varies in Excel depending upon whether you are calculating it for sample or population. So let's dive into the video to see how it can be calculated in Microsoft Excel. Over here you can see we have calculation for the height of a bird X in centimeters. Let's calculate the variance for this data set. Let's put in is equal VAR. Since we are calculating it for the sample, so we'll choose this one, var.s tab. Let's choose the data set. Close the parenthesis, enter, and there you go, 43.9. Taking the square root of this value, you would get standard deviation. Let's do it. Is equal sqrt, choose this value, close the bracket and enter, and there you go. So this is the standard deviation calculated from variance. You can directly calculate standard deviation as well. Let me show you. Is equal standard deviation for the sample tab. Select the data set, close the parenthesis, enter, and there you go. You can see standard deviation is calculated by taking the square root of variance, and directly calculated over here are just the same. For the population, the calculation of variance and standard deviation varies slightly. Let me show you. Over here is equal VAR, and this time we'll select VAR.P. Select the data set and enter. There you go. You can see there is a slight difference between variance for the sample and the population. And similarly, this difference will be carried over to standard deviation as well. Let's do it. Is equal, enter, and you can see over here it's 6.6 and over here it's 6.3. And if you calculate it directly, is equal standard deviation for the population. Select the data set, close the parenthesis, enter, and you can see it's 6.62 and it is 6.3. This slight variation in variance and standard deviation is due to Bessel's corrections, which is actually an effort to remove the biases to a maximum degree. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.